And Family Bank has secured a portfolio guarantee facility from the FSD to increase its loan book to those in the dairy value chain. The 2-year credit guarantee facility will support the purchase of fodder, concretes, minerals, artificial insemination services, propagation of feeds, among other dairy industry inputs. Here now are the details of this and other stories in our corporate briefs.
With milk being primarily produced by smallholder dairy farmers who account for 56% of total output to make up to 14% of Kenya's GDP, the 2-year credit guarantee facility between Family Bank and FSD will facilitate the purchase of key dairy inputs. Family Bank CEO Rebecca Mbidi says the dairy value chain has been impacted by drought and high cost of animal feed. The deal comes on the backdrop of a similar deal worth 1 billion shillings between the lender and performator to support dairy cooperatives in acquisition of fodder when drought was raging, and with Nduberi Dairy Farmers Cooperative Society to increase availability and access to good quality fodder to 1,000 dairy farmers. Meanwhile, wheat and maize flour miller Kitui Flour Mills has diversified its portfolio to edible oil making as part of its expansion strategy. The miller says the launch of the edible oil to be manufactured in Kilifi County has spurred the local economy with creation of jobs at the company's Vipingo-based plant.
It's a product we've come up with different kind of brand, and it's a product we believe it's add values to those who wants to buy something at a higher price. But we also have a product which is affordable. We've played our part. We are trying as in different and many ways we can as a company, just to see how much more we can do to our brothers and sisters in this country.
Finally, in Migori, the county government, in partnership with the Kenya National Farmers Association, has embarked on registration of farmers into various value chain clusters. Officials say the clusters will help secure the right numbers and sensors for various farmers who engage in different value chains.
The idea is to have an accurate, up-to-date database of our farmers. And as you know, farming is a fluid exercise. You may have profiled a farmer today and they tell you they are growing maize. In the next season, that farmer has changed and they are growing groundnuts. What we need to have is a living database that tells us who are our farmers, where they are, and what they are growing.
The world is going the value addition way. When we want to add value, there must be enough quantity of a specific product that can be added value, because we will be using machines and the rest, and we also have the amount which are required in the value addition factories.
Trevor Ngendo for Lunchtime News.